In this guide, I'm gonna show you guys how to record phone calls on iPhone. Let's get started. First, make sure you are using the latest version of your iOS. Once you update that, launch your settings. Now scroll all the way down and navigate to the option apps. From the list of apps, find phone and launch it. Now scrolling down, you're gonna find the option called recording. Click on that and enable for this option. This allows you to use the phone app to record a conversation during the call, then transcribe and summarize. So whenever you are in the call, at the top left, you're gonna find the recording icon. You'll need to click on that and confirm you wanna record the call. Your iPhone will notify the other person that the call is being recorded, so it's completely transparent. While recording, you can continue your conversation as normal. When you stop the recording, the file is automatically saved to the Notes app. Just open Notes and under Call Recordings, you will find all your saved conversations ready to play back. And that's it. This is how you can easily record phone calls on your iPhone. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.